Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Joel. And I would love if you watch the video in its entirety. It'll help me out a lot. So please and thank you. Alright, so let's not keep you waiting. Let's jump right in. So today we're going to be making you some custom stickers. This one's going to be another custom box logo. And it's going to be featuring Ryuko from Kill la Kill. And if you haven't watched it, watch it. Art style's amazing. Anyways, we got the sketch going right now. This is just a rough draft of where everything's gonna kind of fall in place. Once we like it, we're gonna lower the opacity, roughly about 50%. Doesn't really matter, either or. Next, we're gonna switch pens, going with the custom inking pen I made. And now we're gonna trace. We're gonna trace all the lines we want to keep, and the ones we don't, we just leave them alone. They don't make the cut. Big deal. And now for the eyes. So, I've grown accustomed to drawing just one eye, making it look all nice and everything, and then just duplicating the layer, which is gonna suck when I want to try to draw on paper and pen again. I'm gonna have a wonky eye because I've only been drawing left eyes. That's another day's problem. So we're pretty much done here. We're just gonna add a few more things, and we're moving on. So you all know what time it is. It's one of my favorite things to do. We're gonna be coloring. And like always, we're gonna start off with the skin tone. I like to start off with the solid base before anything else. So all solid colors are going down first. So right here, all we're doing is tracing the outside, and then once it's complete, we're gonna fill it in with the color. And we're gonna be repeating that with everything else. And let's go ahead and speed this along. Here's a little quick recap of the eyes. About 6 to 5 layers, roughly. Yeah, so we are moving on again, and we're gonna be working on shadows and highlights, and that's basically it. Shadows and highlights are a necessity if you want it to pop out more. So we are just about finishing up here. A few more highlights and we'll be good to go. So here's the final product. It's looking pretty good. Now we just need a background. Here goes nothing. Hey, there we go. That's looking clean. And just like that, we're done. Let's get some close-ups. Now let's go ahead and get it ready to print. Hey everyone, so welcome back. It's actually the next day for me, so let's just call this part 2. So we got the design all fixed up, ready to go. You saw us hit print, so now we just gotta wait. So, once it's done, it's gonna spit it out. And now all we gotta do is just grab our box cutter and cut it off. So now let's go ahead and take this over to the desk. We're just gonna admire these for a quick second. They're looking pretty good. So next step, we're gonna grab one of these laminates. Wasn't sure which one to go with, but I ended up going with this crystal looking one. I think it'll match the look. So let's go ahead and peel off the back. Once it's off, we're gonna lay it down flat. We're gonna go ahead and place these on there and just squeegee out the air bubbles as best as possible. Let's flip these baddies over, and they look pretty damn good. I'm not gonna lie. Glad I went with the crystal ones. Alright, so let's keep moving. Let's stop wasting time. We're gonna go ahead and cut these out. And just like that, we're done. Here they are. What do you guys think? I personally like these ones. They came out good. Love the crystal look on them. But enough about me. That's my opinion. What do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments what you think, and yeah, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up, share, comment. I would love to hear from you guys, so please let me know down below. And I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.